Mr. Murray's been carrying a load and it's stretching out financially. So I hope you have to be compassionate in this situation, Judge.
Anything?
No, Your Honor.
So you have insurance. I'm going to reduce that to 145. Okay, I'll take your word on that.
Today's courtroom docket wastes no time, moving from a cocaine possession charge and a waived preliminary exam into competency proceedings and strict accountability. As the judge handles each defendant, paperwork quickly becomes real consequences. Stay focused because the surprises keep coming. Subscribe for more dramatic courtroom breakdowns right now today.
For it.
Should be on stack, Judge.
In her
Well,
stack.
she
I put them all
doesn't-
together. She has it because I don't know who's special prosecutor till they show up. So she
Oh,
has
it
all
should
the
be in
files.
there.
Yes, it's.
Oh, okay. I'll bring it in a minute.
Thank you.
448.
Is John Wood here yet? Come on up here, sir. People against John Lawrence Wood, 26M703415. Your name,
John Wood.
Mr. Carmen?
Good morning, Your Honor. Michael A. Carmen, P73824 on behalf of the defendant.
So I understand that this will be a waiver. The prosecutor's written no objection to waiver. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
So, sir, you're charged with possession of less than 25 grams of cocaine. That is a 4-year felony. You have the right to a preliminary exam. At that preliminary exam, the people have to show that the crime was committed and that you were the one who probably committed the crime. If you waive your right to an exam, you're waiving that requirement and you will automatically be bound over for further proceedings to the Wayne County Circuit Court. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Anybody force you to give up your right to a preliminary exam
No, sir.
and you still wish to do that?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm going to accept the waiver. I find the waiver has been made voluntarily and understandingly. You're bound over for further proceedings to the Wayne County Circuit Court. June 2nd at 9 a.m. will be the AOI date, the arraignment on the information. Bond is 10,000 PR. Prosecutor did not indicate they have an objection to continuation of the bond, so the bond's continued. You've been going AA, correct?
Yes, sir.
Let me see it.
Yes, sir.
Let me see it.
Oh, I don't have, I know I had that option, sorry, so
Where is it? Where is it?
it's that one.
Well, you only live in Rockwood. You can go get it then, right?
Yes, sir.
You have it all done? You've been going twice a week?
Yeah, yes, I have, I actually, I went a step further, Your Honor, is I committed myself to, with the Oakdale, recovery.
Have you been testing weekly here?
Yeah, come back negative.
You're to continue testing weekly, okay? You're to continue going to AANA. You're gonna have to bring it down. A circuit judge sees you without that, they're likely to revoke your bond. You understand what I'm saying?
You want me to come back right now?
No, I'm gonna take it your word, but
Thank you,
you
sir.
make sure you're going.
Yes, sir.
So your next court date, as I said, will be on June the 2nd. You could go down the hall and get your notice. Mr. Carmen, anything else on it?
Nothing, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
Have a good day. Good luck, sir.
You too.
Thank you. Kobe Rashar Ferguson, 25B725-812, 25B728899. All right, Ms. Oro, your appearance.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Madison Oro on behalf of the people, PA8398. And I realize my camera's not on.
Okay, Mr. Nasser.
Yes. Good morning, Your Honor, and to your staff. May it please the most honorable court, Mohammed Nasser, P74485, appearing on behalf of Kobe Ferguson, who appears via Zoom, consents to the hearing over Zoom. Mr. Ferguson, identify yourself for the record.
He's coming in right now, Judge. It was moving a little slow.
Did we ever get the competency report back?
Judge,
We
got
did,
the-
Judge.
Yeah, we got the Forensic Center's competency report back.
Yes, Kobe Ferguson.
Okay, sir, I'm gonna need to hear you, and you're gonna need to keep your voice up nice and loud, okay?
Yes, Kobe Ferguson.
Can you turn another light on there, please?
Yes. Is this better?
Yeah, that's 100% better. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Give me 1 second. I don't believe this was my case initially. Did Judge Hessen make a determination that the defendant was competent to stand trial yet?
Not, Judge, may it please the court?
Yeah.
Thank you
Go
so
ahead.
much, Judge. The evaluation came back from the Wayne County Center for Forensics. I found him competent. We were seeking an independent, but at this point, we are prepared to set this for an exam, and we'll deal with any other criminal responsibility issues at the higher court.
Okay, so, but there was never a finding by Judge Hessen that the defendant was determined to be competent to stand trial, true?
That is correct.
All right, so we're going to conduct that right now. Did the parties stipulate to the admission of the report that looks like February the 27th of 26?
We would stipulate the same, Judge.
All right,
I
I'm going to have
agree,
that
Judge.
marked Peoples 1. Does anybody have any evidence? I'm just asking as a matter of routine here. Ms. Oro, I presume not?
I do not, Judge. Thank you.
Don't either, Mr. Nasser?
No, Judge.
So I'm going to the parties stipulate to the admission of Peoples 1, which is the forensic report dated February, is that the 27th?
No.
Yes.
All right. Nobody else has anything else to say, correct?
Correct, Judge.
Correct, Ms. Oro?
Correct, Judge.
Based on my review of the report, I'm going to find that the defendant is in fact competent to stand trial. That's based on the report of Laya Marshall, PhD, a licensed psychologist and consulting forensic examiner. And that report was received by the court on February the 27th. So I'll find defendant competent to stand trial. And you're withdrawing any request for an independent forensic, correct?
At this point, yes.
All right, so we're going to set this for exam. And that will be, when can we do this? I don't need it to be a Tuesday. Can't be a Wednesday.
Around this point, the competency issue becomes official. After reviewing the forensic report, the judge finds Ferguson competent to stand trial. The defense withdraws its request for an independent evaluation, and the case is scheduled for examination. That decision clears a major procedural hurdle moving forward today in court right now.
I'd like to,
I would ask this court for some available dates, and I have my calendar, Judge.
well, you tell me, you guys pick a date. I'm so easy to get along with. You pick a date. It just can't be Wednesday afternoon or, that's probably it.
Thank you so much.
How about
Sorry.
next week, Monday or Wednesday? Is that enough time?
I don't know about Mr. Nasser.
Monday is a
Judge.
holiday, Judge.
That's,
And you
Yes.
can't,
well,
you can't
well,
do
I figured
Wednesday.
these lawyers were so hardworking, they'd come in on Memorial Day. I'm just kidding. All right, what about the week after, what about the week after that on a Monday? Do I have any availability on this 1st of June, Lisa?
Yeah, in the afternoon you do, 1 o'clock.
Can you guys do June 1 in the afternoon?
Judge, I cannot do June 1 in the afternoon. I have many hearings, and I'm just not I have no faith that I will get to you on time. I could do that the second on the Thursday, and I could do the following week as well, starting Monday, June 6th.
It's Monday, June 8th.
Oh, am I
Right.
looking at the wrong? I think it would be Monday, June 6th,
June 6th is a Saturday.
okay, my calendar's wrong in front of me. So whatever that
Wait a minute, I can't hear you at all, Mr. Nasser. Hang on, slow down. Can you guys do it on Monday, June the 8th at 1 p.m.? Am I good then, Lisa?
You have a jury trial at 10 o'clock that day.
What's the name of the case?
Michael Rebant with Mr. Ramsayer.
I don't want to go past that.
Judge, could we do June the 12th, Friday? I'm available
No,
that
I'm
entire.
not here. I'm not here. I need you guys to figure out a date, go into the breakout room with you, if you would, please. I can't. I've got a little bit of. So you can't do it the 1st. I got a jury trial on the 8th. How about the 9th
Judge, I can do the 9th.
in the afternoon? Am I good, Lisa?
Let me check. Yes,
Where's
you're
my-
good that day.
Mr. Nasser, you good for the 9th?
We'll make it work, Judge. The afternoon meeting, 1 o'clock.
Yep, June 9th at 1 PM, okay?
Perfect.
be-
Thank you.
We'll be there.
Anything else anybody needs to bring up?
Nothing from the people, Judge. Thank you.
Nothing
All
from
right.
defense.
Wait a minute, let me just do this. Give me 1 second here. We do understand, and I called both cases. I just want to make clear for the record that the report that I marked that we received February 27 also pertains to file 25B728899. So there's a second charge, different incident date, defendant found competent to stand trial on that file as well. People's 1 admitted pursuant to stipulation. And we'll set for exam. I'm going to do one after the other. So I hope we're going to have all these witnesses here. So we're going to do the same date, June the 9th at 1 PM on this one.
Okay, sounds good, Judge. I was actually just going to
I
ask if
presume
that
there's
included
different
both.
witnesses. I didn't get far enough to check, but they'll just all have to be here at 1 if they would, please. Okay?
Okay, Judge. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Have a good day, ladies
You
and
too.
gentlemen.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Judge. We'll see you on the 9th.
Thank you very much. You have to appear in person that day, Mr. Ferguson. People against Poe, Brian Poe, Brian DeVar Poe, 24W8355669A.
Good morning,
B, E, and B.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mr. Shepard, bring me up my client. As opposed to standing in my immediate left circumcision and record. Whoa.
What made him come in today? I'm curious.
He honestly believed that he
Come to court for,
a year or two to get his license back, and obviously it was
why would you walk in? I want to know. Why would you walk in here 2 years after the fact? Maybe I don't feel like getting it done.
I understand, Your Honor.
No, I don't think you do. Maybe I don't want to get it. You want something now, so you come walking in. Maybe I want to set this for 2030. I'm not kidding.
I'm already know.
I hate this. This is so disrespectful. There's nobody, if defendants not figured that out yet, how disrespectful that any judge in any court is going to find this. What does he do for a living?
Your Honor, he works at, or he does skills trades.
How much you making an hour? Tell me how much you're making per hour. Yeah. And what Ford plant you work at?
You're wrong.
Gotta show up. Can't not show up. Does he have any other holds?
Not to my knowledge, but
You got 1, 2 others. You got $150 with you, right?
sorry.
1,500, 10% is your bond. I'll set it on the e-file. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. Pretrial date in this case will be May the 27th. This is a Woodhaven case. I doubt you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer, though, okay? If you want to fill out a petition for one, you can, but if you're making $35 an hour, unless you're only working 5 hours a week, you're not going to qualify. You're working 40, right?
Correct.
All right, so I'll just indicate he stands mute, waives formal reading, posts $150 down the home, and then you come back on May the 27th. And we will give you that notice, okay? So you get 2 paper notices on these cases, May the 27th at 10. Any questions? Stop doing this. You got it? You got it? All right, good luck. Thanks. Brian. Daryl Bryan. Daryl Bryan. 24B146622A and B. Judge Hessen was so nice, she didn't even put him on probation, then he didn't bother showing up here for 10 months. Your name?
Daryl Bryan.
What is he gonna do?
Your Honor, my understanding that he has outstanding balances. I was gonna ask him to have the warrant set aside. He can make $300 payments a day.
Well, that isn't good enough. He's gonna have to plead guilty then, right?
Yes, Your Honor, the violation.
Going to plead guilty to failure to pay $598.60? Yes?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you plead guilty, you could get 93 days with credit for one served. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Yeah, I covered all your rights with you already, right?
Yes, sir.
To the charge you failed to pay $598.60, how do you plead? Did you fail to pay?
I did fail to pay.
And to the charge again that you failed to pay on the B file, $296, how do you plead to that?
Yep.
Did you fail to pay?
Yes, sir.
Now the courtroom tone gets sharper. The judge questions why Brian appeared years after the fact and stresses that showing up is not optional. Then another defendant faces consequences for missing court and failing to pay. The message is blunt. Court obligations cannot simply be ignored without consequences stacking up.
Just can't do this. I'll accept your plea. I'm gonna have you pay, you're gonna pay the money on the PBT refusal, okay? That's $296. You pay that now. On the other case, I could set up a payment for him. Remind me, where does he work at? You have to take your hat off, sir. Where does he work at?
Your Honor, I believe that he's out of state. Where do you work at, sir?
MCR, box truck is what I make.
How much do you make?
Under 1,000 a week.
Your Honor, I was gonna propose $200 a month starting June 15th. That'll be a 3-month payment plan.
I'll tell you what, I'll have him pay $75 bi-weekly, which is less than you're asking him for, beginning July the 15th, okay? $75 bi-weekly. You'll all be done with the PBT refusal, and then you pay $75 bi-weekly beginning July the 15th. Now listen very carefully. If you don't have the money, you call the court, you get somebody, they'll send you to Judge Heston. She'll give you an extension. I know she will. But you cannot do this, okay?
Yes, Your
All
Honor.
right, best of luck.
Thank you, Judge.
Can I
And
put something on the record? I did a forward address. That's where the issue came in. And it went to my, I guess, the last known address. Can I put that on file for today?
yes,
Thank you, Judge.
thank you.
Judge,
And
can I see who's in the jail? Can I get your name at Wayne County Jail?
at the Wayne County Jail there, interview room, can you tell us your name, please? You're gonna have to unmute there. Mr. Graziani,
Good morning, Judge.
would you please have your client sign this advice of rights?
Judge, I shall.
Thank you. So defendant's gonna plead to allowing the licensed driver to drive, and then the no proof is going to, is he pleading to no proof or not?
Pleading to no proof, Judge.
Thanks. And then they're also going to dismiss the no license and the registration plate charge, right?
That is correct, Judge.
Okay. Sir, what is your name there?
Jesse Scarina?
That's. No, that's Jesse Scarina, please.
I got it. Thank you.
Lisa, can I have a breakout room with him?
We'll be right now.
So people against Adam Christopher Murray filed 26M669890A and B and C. All right,
For the record, John Graziani, attorney on behalf of Adam Murray.
sir, your name?
As a first for
So he's going to plead to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. He's also going to plead responsible to no proof of insurance. They're going to dismiss the driver license expired and the expired registration plate, correct?
That's correct, Judge.
Is that what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
You plead to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. That is punishable by up to 100 fines, 90 days jail, costs are all bills. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
If you plead on the no proof of insurance, that's a 0-point civil infraction. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights?
Yes.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and we're not going to have a trial of any kind. You understand that?
Yes, Your
The
Honor.
charge, no proof of insurance. How do you plead?
Guilty.
It's responsible.
Responsible.
Do you have valid insurance now?
But all
We have everything, Judge.
To the charge allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Were you in control of a motor vehicle that was being operated on March 17th of 26, a 2010 Mazda on I-75 near King and Brownstown?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you were suspended, revoked, or denied at the time?
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
I am not.
Anybody,
I am not.
anybody forced you to plead guilty?
No, Your Honor.
All right, that plea is accepted to no proof of insurance. I'm accepting the plea to allowing the licensed driver to drive. I'm dismissing the expired plate and drive while license expired, and I'm ready for sentence. Anything?
Judge, I'd like to just indicate that this gentleman has been in a trap. He's been helping his mother out, who recently moved in last several months from Alabama. They just, purchased a mobile home in the area, and it's been tough for him. Finally, his mother's able to work, and to put it simply, Mr. Murray's been carrying a load, and it's stretching out financially. So I hope you have compassion in the situation, Judge.
Anything?
No, Your Honor.
So you have insurance. I'm going to reduce that to 145. Okay, I'll take your word on that. On the other, you do have a valid license now. I'm going to go $50 in fines, $30 cost, 75 victims' rights fee.
Repeat that, I can't hear us.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on out there. It's 50 fines, 30 costs, 75 victims' rights fee, $50 justice assessment. So that's 80 plus 125. You're took 205 or 30 days plus the 145. You owe $350. Do you have all that today?
He does not, Judge. He'll need probably several weeks. And
Does he have anything today?
on Tuesday? Next time he gets paid is Tuesday. How much money will he have?
About
$150 and
You
we're
get paid weekly or bi-weekly?
bi-weekly.
How about you pay $75 bi-weekly? Well, can you pay $100 bi-weekly?
Yeah.
And you're going to start that a week from tomorrow,
Yes, Your Honor.
beginning May the 27th. So we can give them a printout on that, Lisa. I don't care which is paid first. Actually, let's have them pay the misdemeanor first. So you can have them pay $100 bi-weekly beginning the 26th. And when he's done with that one, then he can pay on the no proof.
Thank
Okay?
you, Judge. Thank you so much.
Anything else? All right. Best of luck to you. Thank you.
Judge, do you have the file up there for Parrot?
By the end, Adam Murray's case reaches a resolution. He pleads responsible to no proof of insurance and guilty to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, while 2 other charges are dismissed. The judge orders structured payments totaling $350. Like, comment, and subscribe for more shocking courtroom stories right now.